Have you ever heard about a ship that vanished into thin air? Not just disappeared, but blinked out of existence, only to reappear in a different place and time? That's the story of the USS Eldridge, a tale shrouded in mystery and whispered in hushed tones among sailors and scientists alike. It's a story that makes you question everything you thought you knew about reality. Is it true? Is it a myth? Let's dive into the enigma that is the Philadelphia experiment. The story takes us back to 1943, during the height of World War II. The United States Navy was experimenting with new technologies, hoping to gain an edge over their enemies. One of these experiments, shrouded in secrecy, was the Philadelphia experiment. The goal? To make the USS Eldridge invisible to enemy radar. Little did they know, something far stranger was about to occur. Imagine this, a destroyer, the USS Eldridge, docked in the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. It's outfitted with strange equipment, massive generators humming with unknown power. The experiment begins. Witnesses claim a greenish fog enveloped the ship, and then silence. The Eldridge was gone, vanished. Some say the ship reappeared miles away in Norfolk, Virginia, only to vanish again moments later, returning to Philadelphia. But something was different. The sailors aboard were disoriented, some terribly ill, others fused to the metal of the ship. The stories are terrifying, unbelievable, yet they persist. The details of what happened that day are murky at best. Some say the Philadelphia experiment was about creating a cloaking device, a way to render the USS Eldridge invisible to enemy ships and radar. Others whisper about teleportation, even time travel. Could the Navy have stumbled upon a technology so advanced, so powerful, that it could bend the very fabric of space-time? The stories of the sailors who were on board the Eldridge are even more unsettling. Some say they walked through walls. Others vanished entirely, never to be seen again. There are tales of men driven mad, their minds unable to cope with what they had experienced. Were these the side effects of a technology beyond our understanding? Section 4. Bending reality. Theories and tales. Many theories attempt to explain the events of that day. Some speculate that the Philadelphia experiment was a botched attempt at degaussing, a process of reducing a ship's magnetic field to make it invisible to magnetic mines. Others believe that the experiment involved a phenomenon known as unified field theory, a concept proposed by Albert Einstein that suggests gravity is linked to electromagnetism. Could the Navy have tapped into this unknown energy, accidentally opening a portal to another dimension? Or perhaps the Eldridge traveled through time, only to return forever altered by its journey. The possibilities are as intriguing as they are terrifying. Section 5. Fact or fiction? The Great Debate. The official stance of the U.S. Navy. It never happened. They deny the Philadelphia experiment ever took place. The USS Eldridge, they claim, was never even in Philadelphia at the time. Yet the stories persist. Witnesses, both civilian and military, have come forward, claiming to have seen the Eldridge vanish with their own eyes. Is it a case of mass hysteria, a government cover-up, or did something truly extraordinary happen that day in Philadelphia? The mystery of the USS Eldridge and the Philadelphia experiment remains one of the most enduring enigmas of the 20th century. The truth, as they say, is out there.